electronic waste dumps in the toxic suburbs of Ghana's capital city, to illegal whale hunting operations deep in the Arctic Ocean, there lies an incredible story. Few people know that story like Aaron Calmes, filmmaker, photojournalist, who has taken a moral stance against the crimes of nature.
Nature crimes are all around us. The science is clear. We're near the tipping point.
Will expose the evidence.
I've seen a lot of things that have inspired me to want to document them. That's why the camera to me is really my weapon of choice, especially in today's world and social media.
This is what we gotta do or we'll lose our jobs. Dump this shit out. Oh my God, forgive me.
It gives us the power to tell a story and share it with the world.
Prepare yourself for a journey
No part of nature is an island.
with an extraordinary guide.
We're all connected somehow. And just as we've had an impact that's significantly altering our planet, we have a responsibility to come up with solutions. People want to help one another. No time more important than right now.
You may never see your world the same way again. Only together can we stop nature crimes.